Hey guys, so we're back with another one. Just finished up Jason's 69 C10, and I'm gonna walk you around this thing. It turned out spectacular. Hope you guys enjoy it. Basically, we got this thing hammered with some QA1 stuff, so let me show you around. So we're gonna start this off. Number one, it has QA1 K member, and it's full tubular setup with coilovers. Turned out pretty awesome. Now, another thing we had to do is when you get that QA1 front suspension kit, it'd have custom headers or headers for the application. We ended up getting a set of Headmans, and we had to tweak some stuff. As you can see, we had to bang them up a little bit, grind some stuff. It's hot rodding, just get the steering and stuff all perfect like it needs to do. Of course, what's awesome is this thing's got a big block, so can't go wrong with big block Chevy. Torque is there, I love it. So stance is right. He's already got the Wilwood that we put on with it. I want to say these might be just the 12s, and with the 4-piston calipers. When we upgraded the Wilwood front brakes, we also upgraded the master cylinder along with the booster with their Wilwood proportioning valve. Turned out spectacular. Made all new lines. You can see the details going all the way down on the brake line. Right now the back's still on the drums, but I'm thinking in the future we're going to be doing that. And out back it has their setup also. Let's get down here. You can see we have full QA1 rear suspension and their notch for the rear suspension, sway bar, the whole 9, along with the stainless steel exhaust all the way back. You see the front tubular control arms along with the coilovers and QA1. Hope you guys enjoyed Jason's 69 C10. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.